Natasha Ludington. The World Health Organization estimates that 4.6 million deaths per year are directly related to pollution. This is stated by Indrat Mondal, who has a degree in geography from the University of Gaurbanga in India, in the journal Science of the Total Environment, published in April of 2020. At one point in our lives, most of us have enjoyed going outside and being in the environment. COVID-19 has affected the global environment in positive and negative ways. First, I will talk about the positive effects COVID-19 has had on the environment, then I will talk about the negative effects COVID-19 has had on the environment. First, let us talk about the positive. Air pollution has drastically decreased thanks to COVID-19 lockdown. Observed by Zhang Zihe, who has a degree in geography from the University of Connecticut in the journal Remote Sensing, published in August of 2020, air pollution has decreased in specific continents. In East Asia, NO2 and SO2 levels have drastically decreased. NO2 levels have decreased by 33% and SO2 levels have decreased by 41%. In South Asia, the aerosol optical depth has gone down by 37%. Along with specific continents, air pollution has decreased in cities as well. In London alone, the NO2 levels have decreased by 49%. In Beijing, the SO2 levels have decreased by 48%. And in Shanghai, the particulate matter in the air has gone down by 38%. Noted by Solomon Muhammad, who has a PhD in Management Sciences and Environment from Jiangsu University in China, in the journal Science of the Total Environment, published in April of 2020, one reason air pollution has decreased is due to a decrease in travel. The main mode of transportation that has decreased is air travel. This has gone down by 96%. Spain has had the largest decrease in general travel with 89%. The United States has had the lowest amount of decrease in general travel with only 54%. Another reason pollution, including air, has decreased is due to a decline in environmental construction, specifically in India. With the act of obtaining and crushing stone halting, many pollution levels have decreased. The Dwarka River in India is a highly mined river. This river is rich in crystalline granite rock. There are 239 stone mining areas along this river, accompanied by 982 stone crushing facilities. These facilities produce 258,120 tons of dust per year. This dust goes straight into the air, water, and soil, making these resources unusable. But thanks to COVID-19, the particulate matter in the air has gone down by 218 micrograms per meter cubed. The noise ambiance has decreased by 20 decibels. The land surface temperature has decreased by 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and the water quality has improved by 50%, making all of these in the low, healthy range once again. Subsequent to the positive effects, let us talk about the negative. Due to COVID-19, medical supplies have been highly desired and used. Explained by Ana L. Patricio Silva, who has a degree in environmental and marine studies from the University of Aveiro in Portugal, in the journal Science of the Total Environment, published in May of 2020, the use of personal protective equipment, the PPE, has greatly increased due to COVID-19. It is estimated that 129 billion face masks and 65 billion pairs of gloves are needed to keep the world feeling safe and healthy monthly. Because of the giant increase in demand of these items, there has been a large amount of waste produced. China had a 370% increase in their medical waste. In one single day, February 24th, 2020, Wuhan, China produced 200 tons of medical waste. The use of the PPE is not the only thing that has increased over the COVID-19 lockdown. The use of plastics has greatly increased. Packaging using single-use plastics has increased by 40%. Door-to-door shipping has increased. Packaging food individually has increased, and some US states have even momentarily banned the use of reusable bags, all in fear of getting COVID-19. With the increase of plastics floating around, there has been a decrease in recycling. Without recycling, these plastics end up in landfills. These landfills are overflowing with non-compostable, recyclable, and non-recyclable plastics. They have now turned to burning strategies to get rid of this trash. Burning of plastic releases GHG and other harmful chemicals into the environment, which make these resources once again unusable. First, I talked about the positive effects COVID-19 has had on the environment. Then I talked about the negative effects COVID-19 has had on the environment. COVID-19 has affected the global environment in positive and negative ways. Slowing the rate at which the earth gets polluted can help the 4.6 million people live longer, healthier lives.
4:55.